Japanese railroad builds giant Gundam-style robot to fix the power lines. Ooh, now that's good. You control it with a VR headset. I think this is better than the guy's hologram. If we got to do it, right?
He marries the robot.
Yeah, it's better. It's better, man. Marry the Gundam. At least this guy's useful. Like, look at him. He's fixing a railway.
Yeah, this is really cool. So I don't know why they made it look like
Why
a
not?
cool looking robot.
Why not?
No, it's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it's like really aesthetically pleasing for doing something that's quite mundane, which is, I think, working on a railway or something.
So they needed some kind of machinery to do this, and they just did it in like a humanoid way.
Yeah.
And so it's got arms controlled by actual human arms. Wow, that's the future of combat. I think I can't remember who did a music video, but you're both controlling giant robots like that and fighting.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool.
Probably super expensive. You're not ready to fight with that thing yet. It's just got to help out with the bridges and such.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you're right. It's very pleasing to watch. Super smooth movements. It can lift up to 32 feet in the air. It's a maintenance robot. Looks a bit like Pixar's character WALL-E and moves in tandem with the motions of its human pilot, who tells it where to look and what to do. I mean, the pilot has like a visual. You have a head, you have a neck on the robot. It can lift objects up to 88 pounds in weight. So not a tremendous amount of weight. Like Vin, you can lift 88 pounds, but not to 32 feet.
And it's got VR capabilities. So it has like a little head. And it's mounted like 1-to-1 with a VR headset, which is nice.
We all like it.
Yeah.
Beautiful stuff. Well done.